Welcome everybody to Rainbow Delight, and today I'm going to make a sock skirt and a sock dress like you saw in my sock prank video. Don't worry, it's actually an old sock, but here's the skirt. Can you see it? Good. So you'll need to grab a sock. I'll use this one. And you need to cut like this little part where you're, this part. I'm actually going to make the like the long dress. Ooh. So this is what it should look like when you finish. Don't worry if it looks a bit messy or like something like this, because we're going to sew it together anyway. Before you start sewing, make sure to flip your socks inside out so that you see like less stitching. There. Then when you've done that, I think you can start sewing. Let's start right now. And also, if you're a young subscriber or fan of my YouTube channel, make sure to let an adult do this, because you don't really want to hurt your fingers. Sorry if my stitching doesn't look very neat, but I'm not the best at stitching. So this is what it looks like when you finish stitching. So when you finish stitching like this, you can start cutting off the bottom piece. We're doing that now so you can slide onto the Barbie and do the next step. So I've cut off the bottom of the sock, and now you can use the part that you cut off to make a lovely hat for your doll. Anyway, now you can remove the clothes. Well, you might flip this inside out first. That's why I cut it off, so you can put it on. So I put the sock on the Barbie, and now you're just gonna cut like that much, and then you can like sew it together the right size you need. Might flip it so that the hair's not everywhere. It'll be dreadful if I cut off her hair. So now you need to cut off the excess with a simple snip. This is what it looks like after you've cut, and you need to bring them tightly together so that it looks something like a dress. Next, you have to flip the sock inside out again, because we're going to do some more stitching. There we go. So you need to put the sock back on the Barbie so that you can get the right measurements correct, and so that you might not get it too tight or too big. So now you can start stitching the two sides together. Then you can flip it inside out, and I think you're pretty much finished. Just continue stitching till the end. So I finished stitching, and now I'm going to turn it inside out. Hopefully it turns out like a nice nightgown when I turn it inside out. Now I'm sliding the gown onto the Barbie. So this is what it looks like when it's finished. I've also added a ribbon and a clip in her hair. So this is what it looks like as a full turn. So next I'm going to show you how to make a mini skirt. You can cut shorter than this, which is just about what I'm going to do. But if you want a longer skirt, here's like a little template for you to make it. And I'm going to cut where I put this little mark with my scissor. Right there. So, you could just put this straight on your Barbie, but if you have like a smaller Barbie, like mine, you just need to basically cut it here or just anywhere, it doesn't matter, but as long as it's in a vertical line, like this. And then you can measure it on your Barbie, and then you can stitch it, and then you're pretty much ready to go. Very simple. So I put the skirt on the girl now, and now I can cut it. Pretty much anything in the horizontal, I mean vertical line like this is okay. So you need to flip the sock inside out, and then you need to measure it on your doll before you start stitching. Remember to use a light coloured thread, such as this light blue one here, so that people can't see the stitching and it looks more neat. Okay, I'm getting ready to stitch. I am starting to stitch. There we are. Now you can cut this bit off, flip it inside out, and I think you pretty much got a skirt. So this is what it looks like in the end. And I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make your own Barbie clothes out of socks. Bye!